In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell ebooks on Ecwid in just 5 minutes. Starting a new venture can often feel like a monumental task, but with the right tools and a simple guide, you'll find it's easier than you think, especially when it comes to selling ebooks online. Today, I'll walk you through how to do just that using Ecwid, a fantastic and user-friendly e-commerce platform. The first thing you need to do is navigate to Ecwid's official website. It's a straightforward process. Just type Ecwid into your search engine and it should be the first result you see. Once you're on their homepage, you'll see an option to log in. Go ahead and click on that. Now, Ecwid offers various ways to log in, but for simplicity and efficiency, click on Sign in with Google. This will make managing your account much easier, especially if you already use Google services for your business. Upon clicking that, you'll be prompted to select the Google account you want to use. Make sure to choose the one that is most appropriate for your business. This step ensures that the correct data and permissions are synced with your Ecwid account. After signing in, you'll be directed to the Ecwid control panel. This is where all the magic happens. It's your central hub for managing your online store. From here, you'll want to navigate to your product catalog. Simply hover over the catalog option on the left-hand menu and then click on Products. This is the section where you'll be managing all your inventory, including your ebooks. Now it's time to add your new product, your ebook. Look for an option labeled Add New Product and click on it. This is where you'll input all the relevant details of your ebook. First, you'll want to upload an image of your ebook cover. A compelling cover can make a huge difference in catching a potential reader's eye, so choose wisely. Ecwid makes it easy to upload images, so simply select your file and it will appear as the main image for your ebook in your store. Next up, name your ebook product. Make sure this is both descriptive and attention-grabbing. Your product name is a potential customer's first impression of your ebook, so you want it to reflect the contents accurately and appealingly. Following that, you'll need to provide a description of your ebook. This is your opportunity to really sell your product. Highlight what makes your ebook a must-read. Is it a gripping novel? A life-changing self-help guide? Make sure to touch on the key points that you believe will connect with your potential readers. Once you've filled in the product name, uploaded an image, and added a compelling description, the next step is crucial: saving your product. Look for the Save button, usually located at the bottom or top right corner of the dashboard. Clicking this makes your ebook officially part of your Ecwid store's inventory. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've now successfully added your ebook to your Ecwid store and are one step closer to making your first sale. Selling ebooks online might seem intimidating at first, but as you've seen, it's quite a seamless process with Ecwid. Remember to experiment with different product descriptions and images to see what resonates most with your audience. And most importantly, always be on the lookout for more tips and strategies to grow your online business. Thanks for watching, and here's to your success in selling ebooks online with Ecwid. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides and tips. Happy selling!